Tahir back on your screens. Okay guys, a few days back I asked you guys on Instagram कि मैं किस तरह की videos बनाऊँ, and the top 2 requested videos were the skincare video and this Q&A video. So what I did was मैंने एक poll लगा दिया था कि जिसकी rating ज़्यादा आएगी I'm gonna do that one, and Q&A won. So here I am making a Q&A video for you guys. Okay guys, questions इतने ज़्यादा हैं कि I don't think I'll be able to answer all of them, because I don't know if you guys can see this or not. They're just too many. They're endless. So my most asked and जो अच्छे normal questions हैं उनके answers करूँगी. So let's get into it. Okay guys, I'm also gonna have this black tea with it because video काफ़ी लंबी हो जाए शायद. So the most asked question out of all was, why did you end the previous channel and why did you start this channel? Okay, ये मुझे इतने सारे लोगों ने किया है. मेरा दोनों में दिल कर रहा था ऑनेस्टली. इफ़ आई बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट, जब मैंने पिछला एंड किया था तो मेरा बहुत ज़्यादा काम चल रहा था साथ. सो आई थॉट ऑफ एंडिंग दैट वन बिकॉज आई कुडंट गिव माई टाइम प्रॉपरली टू इट. एंड इस दफ़ा बस मेरा दिल किया कि आ जाऊँ तो मैं आ गई. हैव यू एवर ट्राइड बंजी जंपिंग एंड ग्लाइडिंग? बंजी जंपिंग नो, एंड ग्लाइडिंग येस आई हैव. ओके, सो द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज़, वुड यू डू पियर्सिंग्स ऑन द eyelid? Never. Okay, so the next question is, which school are you from? मेरे तो कोई 100 schools हैं, कोई मेरे 100 school बदले हैं, because I've always been traveling. I traveled so much कि मेरी एक class, एक grade मेरा almost 2 या 3 schools में होता था. ये अभी हम लोग like थोड़े static रह रहे हैं जब से मैं यूनिवर्सिटी में आई हूँ, वरना उससे पहले I have no idea कि मैंने कौन से school में basically पढ़ा है. It's been so many schools, so I don't know. बहुत से schools में पढ़ा. So the next question is, first pet. मेरा first pet था, they were 2 rabbits, Alpi and Membo. Okay, so the next question is, most proud moment of your life. Okay, so जो मेरी first complete collection की ramp हुई थी उस पर my parents came, and जब सब कुछ हो चुका था, रैम्प कंप्लीट हो चुकी थी, so I went to the audience. पीछे से ज़रा आगे आ गई थी. I was very excited to see my parents' response. So when I came to the audience, they stood up and hugged me. Not that anything was related to my fashion show, but they themselves are great personalities, and they stood up in the audience to hug me. Was a huge honor for me. So yeah, that was the most proud moment. One of the most proud moments in my life. Okay, so the next question is, favorite childhood memory. Okay, मेरी बहुत सी favorite childhood memories हैं, लेकिन चलें ये बहुत छोटी सी मज़ेदार सी हैं. I don't remember the place, but I don't remember the place. लेकिन मैं जब बहुत छोटी, I think first class में थी, and या तो second में होंगी, and मेरी एक छोटी सी heels, I was really short, and मेरी छोटी सी heels हुआ करती थी golden color की, and मुझे वो बहुत पसंद हुआ करती थी. When I used to come back from school, मैं आती थी एंड वो ना सीढ़ियों पर पड़ी हुआ करती थी, हमेशा उधर ही होती. तो एक दिन मैं आई एंड वो वहाँ पर नहीं थी, एंड वो मामा ने किसी को दे दी थी, एंड मैं उस पर इतना रोई थी. आई थिंक मैं कोई हफ्ता और मोर देन अ वीक मैं रोती रही थी. उस वक्त तो मेरे लिए बहुत मिजरेबल सीन था. नाउ व्हेन आई लुक बैक एट इट, आई फील लाइक इट वाज रियली फनी एंड क्यूट. सो इट्स जस्ट movie that made you cry regardless you watch it for the 100th time. I think it's Veer Zara. Okay, so the next question is, how do you deal with people's assumptions about you? Honestly, I never really care, because I feel the people who really love you and people who really care for you will never assume anything about you and never believe in assumptions, and they always know what you can do and what you can't. So I feel no one should ever bother themselves on people who don't matter at all, and eventually the truth always prevails, so you don't have to ever worry about it. Moving on, love your skincare tips and routine. Thank you so much. This is my auntie of mine. Next video inshallah skincare पर ही आ रही है, so stay tuned. So the next question is, how do you deal with hate and negativity? I don't deal with it. Honestly, मैं अपने आप को उस पोजीशन में नहीं लेकर आती जहाँ मुझे किसी और की नॉनसेंस टॉलरेट करनी पड़े. Instagram और Facebook. Instagram. On a scale of 1 to 10, how mature are you? I don't think I'm that mature. I think out of 10, I'd be 6 or 7. because I think there's always something that you don't know, and there's always a room for learning and getting better. I think I'm not that mature. I think there's so much that I have to learn right now. What wouldn't you be caught dead wearing? Skate shoes. I wouldn't be caught dead wearing skate shoes. Okay, so the next question is, do you get jealous of anyone's success? नो आई फील अल्लाह ताला जब किसी को कोई चीज़ देता है तो वो उसकी प्राइस लेकर देता है. जो भी इंसान को कोई चीज़ मिलती है उसने उसकी प्राइस पे की भी होती है. सो यू शुड नेवर बी जेलस ऑफ एनीवन सक्सेस और हैप्पीनेस. आपकी ज़िंदगी में जो आपके लिए लिखा हुआ है वो आपको मिल जाएगा. देयर इज़ नो पॉइंट ऑफ गेटिंग जेलस. फेवरेट एरा ऑफ फैशन. My favorite era of fashion has to be 1950s. That era was really chic and classic for me. And late 60s and 70s ka fashion was amazing as well. But 50s has to be my favorite. And by the way, 60s and 70s electronics and cars के लिए भी बहुत अच्छे गए थे. Why elephant prints? In every project that I do, I infuse something that is really close to my heart. And अभी I think ये question मेरे stories देखकर किया. I was doing a project on elephants. I love elephants, so that's why I was doing a project on that. Okay, one advice for Hifza. यानी आपको क्या ज़रूरत है advice की, लेकिन आप बाज आ जाएं. Local or brand? Honestly, it doesn't matter to me as long as I like the quality. What do you dislike the most? Unwanted opinions. If not a fashion designer, what would you be as in profession? I think I'd be a lawyer or a businesswoman. Yeah. What are your plans after top up year? I don't tell my plans, magar inshallah aap dekh lengi. Okay, so the next question is favorite song. Okay, I have two favorite songs. The first one is I Can't Help Falling in Love with You. And the second one is कभी कभी मेरे दिल में ख्याल आता है. What are your thoughts on दुनिया को दिखाकर donate करना? Okay, I feel you shouldn't be doing that because first, your religion does not allow you that. And secondly, I just strongly believe कि अगर आप किसी को कोई चीज़ दे रहे हैं तो बेसिकली वो अल्लाह ताला ने आपको सिर्फ ज़रिया बनाया है. तो आपको इतना शोखा नहीं होना चाहिए कि आप जाके ना दिखा रहे हो. और अगर आप खुद भी अपने आप को इमेजिन करें कि आप फॉर एग्जाम्पल आप गरीब हो जाए ऑल ऑफ अ सडन एंड कोई आपको आपकी एक्सप्रेशंस रिकॉर्ड करे. ऑब्वियसली यूल बी हैप्पी अगर आप गरीब हैं, आपको कोई डोनेट कर रहा है. लेकिन अगर आपको कोई रिकॉर्ड करना शुरू हो जाए, आपकी एक्सप्रेशंस रिकॉर्ड करना शुरू हो जाए, दिस इज़ रिडिकुलस फॉर मी. आई थिंक यू शुड नेवर बी डूइंग दैट. एनीवे, मूविंग ऑन. डू यू एंड किंजा हैव सेम पर्सनैलिटीज़? नो. एनी रिग्रेट्स? नो. इफ़ यू कुड चेंज टू बी समबडी एल्स, हु वुड इट बी? That is the last thing I want to think of. I would never want to be somebody else. Favorite fast food? Subway. Why can't you see with your eyes closed? I don't know. Cats or dogs? Dogs. Okay, so the next question is, why so less friends and why do you not make friends? P.S. You always look beautiful in uni. Okay, thank you very much. And I think although I am a little selective about my friends and my circle, but I feel दोस्त आपके यूं नहीं बनते हैं. दोस्त आपके बन जाते हैं जब आप लोग कनेक्ट कर जाएं. जब आप उनसे कनेक्ट कर जाएं वो आपसे, तो आपकी दोस्ती इवेंचुअली हो जाती है. एंड जस्ट बाय द वे आई फील दोस्ती मेरे लिए एक जिम्मेदारी है. लाइक दोस्ती इज़ जस्ट नॉट लाइक आप किसी के साथ जाके बात करना शुरू हो जाए एंड योर फ्रेंड्स. आई थिंक दोस्ती एक बहुत बड़ी जिम्मेदारी है एंड अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल डोंट अंडरस्टैंड दिस. So the next question is, how do you carry different looks each day at university? I just go with the vibe and मैं उसी जो मेरा दिल कर रहा होता है मैं उसी तरह तैयार हो जाती हूँ. That's about it. Okay, so the next question is favorite movie quote. I have two favorite movie quotes. One is from Spider-Man, with great power comes great responsibility, and the other one is from Scarface, the eyes, Chico, they never lie. Next question is, spring or fall? Fall. What childish things do you enjoy the most? I enjoy all the childish things, but with the right people. Favorite perfume? Chance Chanel. Glossy or matte? Matte. टेंशन लेती हो फ्यूचर की? बहन को टेंशन लेनी आती ही नहीं है. What do you do when things don't go as planned? I trust whatever happens. I trust the process. Your height, it's 5'8". Did you ever have braces because your teeth are so aligned? Did you notice my teeth? Anyway, no. Kabhi nahi, braces nahi lagwaye. These are my natural teeth. Teeth se mashallah. Who knows your darkest secrets? Kinza. If you ever get a chance to live abroad, which city will you pick? New York. Okay. How do you keep your life together? I just keep an eye on where my attention is going. You're always composed and collected. Thank you. What would you advise to your old self? I think I'd advise the old me that trust the process. Gucci or Dior? Dior. Favorite teacher? I think I take this name every time I'm asked about favorite teacher. Ma'am Kaneez Fatima. She was my teacher when I was in 6th grade, and she was from Bangladesh, and I can't stress over enough how amazing she was. I think she is the kind of teacher I want to see teachers as. Ma'am, if you're watching this, I have to tell you that I love you and I miss you. And thank you so much for being so kind to me in those days. Would you hurt anyone to benefit yourself? Never. Are you self-obsessed? No. Okay, oh my god. अगर आपसे कोई बात नहीं कर रहा and अगर वो इंसान अपने अंदर खुश है, that does not mean that person is self-obsessed. Please, I'm not self-obsessed. I just love my own company. What's up with you and curly hair? Why do you just curl your hair and not straighten? I don't know. I just love curly hair. Thoughts on roasting videos? I honestly don't understand roasting videos. I really don't appreciate roasting videos or any kind of videos that are related to hate. Watch me getting hate for this one. Don't you think Pakistanis are too evil? No. I think this is everywhere. I think there's always good and bad in everything, and not just in Pakistan, or not just in America, or just in Australia. Yeah, it's everywhere. Would you slap a fan for being abusive? I think I'd rather not respond to that person. I'd rather not throw myself in such mud. Okay, so the next question is humor or intelligence? Intelligence. 1,000 times intelligence. I'm not a humor lover person. Okay, so this question is going to be my last question because I'm very sleepy and my tea is almost over. One thing about you that makes you you. I think my mind. Okay guys, so that is all for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. ये सबसे ज़्यादा asked video थी and I'm finally done with it, so I'm really happy about it. So I'll catch you guys in my next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.